Hey everyone, it's Tita and welcome back to my channel. As a nail tech, I see a lot of memes relating to glitter. So for some reason, I thought it would be a great idea to cover myself in glitter. So let's jump straight into this video. So I did research a little bit on how to make like a DIY body glitter and how to get the glitter to stick. I did read up that Vaseline and hair gel were the best options for this. So I thought I would try Vaseline, which I didn't have, but I do have Pawpaw. So I thought same thing really. I don't know how much of it I'm going to need. I don't know how to apply it. I didn't really think this through, but what I did buy was a whole bunch of glitter. I think I will go for a blue look because I've sort of gone through with a blue theme today. And this is the Enviro glitter I bought from Glitter Haven. I thought I am going to be using a ton of this stuff and washing it down the drain. So I wanted it to be completely biodegradable. So I'm going to grab my little brush and basically just paint on this disgusting purple and see how I go. Oh, this is going to take forever. This is so disgusting. I should have used something to tie up my hair, but I didn't think that far ahead. I probably should have opened the packets before I covered my fingers in purple. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm gonna make such a mess. You know when they say that you find glitter everywhere, I'm probably going to be finding glitter for months. So, oh yeah. Why do people not use this as like an everyday look? Oh my gosh. I don't know why I haven't thought of this sooner. It feels really gross though. You don't want to be touching this. This feels as disgusting as you would assume it is. But hey, it looks good. This was definitely a good idea. Definitely a good idea. So far, no regrets. Wow. I would totally go to a nightclub looking like this. So although I love how this looks, and I mean love how this looks, it feels absolutely disgusting. So I really didn't know how far I was going to take this. And now I'm wondering if I should do my face. How am I gonna get this off? I hope this comes off in the shower. I'm gonna wake up for the next few days just finding glitter everywhere. You know when you sort of look at glitter in a tub or in the bag and you're like, eh. But then you cover yourself head to toe in it and you're like, yeah, no, I can see what the appeal is with glitter. Oh, it feels disgusting. Ew, ew, ew. So I think I'm at the point in my life where I just need to add more glitter. Can you imagine a highlight like this? Just like, bam. So what I'm going to do is double layer. I'm putting Pawpaw over the glitter. And then I'm going to stick more glitter over the glitter because that seems like the only reasonable thing to do right now in my current situation. And there we go. So I wasn't going to do my face, but I actually got a free sample of this glitter called Mermaid Magic, and it's this like light purpley blue, and I am just dying to use this on my face. I can't get the pack open. I don't want to go crazy with it, Maybe I do. Hello. Okay, I lied. I definitely want to go crazy with this glitter. So I honestly don't really know what I was aiming for, but this is the end result. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I do recommend that you try it at least once. I don't recommend you cleaning it up. Try and get like a friend or a boyfriend or a husband. It is on my camera, it is over my desk. I'm scared to touch anything, but I think this looks absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Let me know what you think of this look, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.